Hello everyone. We're having a look at theme 3 now, which is the empire across 3 continents. The empire we're going to have a look at is the Roman Empire. We will basically see the rise and fall of the Roman Empire. It's referred to as an empire across 3 continents because it spread across Europe, Africa, and portions of Middle East. Its main rival was the Iranian or the Persian or the Sassanid Empire, which basically covered the rest of the Middle East or the present day regions near Iran. Now, the various sources for studying the Roman Empire are texts. The Roman Empire was or had a flourishing literary culture. We have found immense evidence telling us about their literary pursuits. So the texts are referred to as annals. There are various documents also, which are the various inscriptions and papyri, whatever is written on papyri. We have material evidences as well, which are buildings or monuments, coins, pottery, and mosaics. Just a few examples or pictures of a couple of things, like this is an example of a monument, the Colosseum, where the gladiators used to fight and people used to sit around as audience for entertainment. Pottery, various coins. In fact, we have evidence that India was trading with the Roman Empire because in South India, hoards of Roman gold coins have been found. We know that they are Roman coins because, as you can see here, the impression of the face of the king is on the coin as well as their name. Geographical spread. The Roman Empire was spread both north and south of the Mediterranean Sea. The northern boundary was the Rhine and the Danube, the 2 rivers. The southern boundary was the Sahara Desert in Africa, and Rhine and Danube are in Europe. Iran controlled the southern areas of the Caspian Sea. China referred to these 2 superpowers, that is the Roman Empire and the Iranian or Persian Empire, as Tashin, meaning Greater West. Roman Empire and Iranian and Persian empires naturally were rivals because they were both neighboring empires, they were both powerful, and they were both vying for supremacy over each other. Also, they were very different as far as cultures and religion and way of administration was concerned. So the Roman Empire basically became so huge that its administration got divided into as the Western Roman Empire and the Eastern Roman Empire. The Western Roman Empire got administered out of Rome, which is in Italy, and the Eastern Roman Empire had its capital in Constantinople, present day known as Istanbul, which is in Turkey. Notice the portion in the middle. The light blue portion right in the middle of the map is the Mediterranean Sea. All the colorful regions constituted the Roman Empire. So since Mediterranean Sea is in the middle, the portions above it are the northern portions of the Mediterranean Sea, and the portions below it are the southern regions of the Mediterranean Sea, which constituted the empire, the Roman Empire. Now here in Europe, Notice the two rivers which made the northern boundary, which is the Rhine and the Danube. On this map, you can make out the Mediterranean Sea, which is again, like I told you, right in the middle. You can see Mediterranean Sea written. All the portions north of Mediterranean Sea, see the colored regions, they will be Roman Empire. Portions south of the Mediterranean Sea also, the colored portion is as well the Roman Empire. The Eastern Roman Empire, I was telling you, administered out of Turkey. So Turkey, Syria, these were the portions also which constituted the Eastern Roman Empire, and beyond them you had Iran or the Sassanid Empire. Now here try to locate where Eastern Roman Empire is written. Basically the blue portion there is the Mediterranean Sea. On this map they've mainly just marked out the Eastern Roman Empire for us, but we've seen the other portions of the Western Roman Empire in an earlier map. You know where Rhine and Danube are in Europe. I showed you on the map. Now locate the southern boundary of the Roman Empire. That was the Sahara Desert. So come down to the continent of Africa. You will see a portion where it's written Sahara nomadic tribes. Basically that was the Sahara Desert. So that made the southern boundary of the empire. As you move eastwards, and the purple portion is the Eastern Roman Empire. The Eastern Roman Empire was also known as the Byzantine Empire. So just please try and remember the various names which are used as synonyms, and don't get confused. They mean the same thing. So neighboring the Byzantine Empire is the Persian Empire or the Iranian Empire, because it's Iran, that region, or the Sassanid Empire, because basically the family controlling or the ruling family there were the Sassanians. So the Sassanid Empire. The Roman Empire and Sassanid Empire were rivals. Now of course, because the Sassanid Empire is neighboring the Eastern Roman Empire, so that is where most of the clashes will happen, if and when they did. In the next video, we'll start with more details of the empire. Thank you.